Hi, have you ever wondered if there's a better way to enter things in Sage 50 that have multiple lines and each has different amount of tax? Well, there is. Let me show you. I'm in company settings under tax code. So let's add first a code for GST included. And while we're here, we'll add another one for both taxes included. Both. Okay, I've done that. Before I can leave, I will have to go in and define how that looks. For the GST code, we only need the one tax GST, 5% included in price, yes, refundable, yes. So that one's done now too. Okay, in this tax code, both in, we're going to put GST at 5%. Included in price, refundable, and this one PST 7% included in price, yes, but not refundable. Now that we've set up both those tax codes, we can go ahead and use them. So we'll just close the settings screen, and now we could go put in a purchase invoice. Let me show you how that works. So I've opened the purchase screen, purchase invoice screen, and I have already set up a vendor called Visa. We'll assume this is Visa, and I have linked it to the Visa payment method so that when we put in the vendor Visa, you'll see that the payment method comes up as Visa already. Let's just create an invoice number. I'm going to go in here and assume that the phone bill, say TELUS, is $97.56. I'm going to put both taxes in $97.56. You'll notice that it automatically figured out the taxes for that line, and we just have to change the account. I also gave it travel as sort of the default account for somebody's Visa. So say that we have another one, a White Spot restaurant, and that would be GST in. So let's put that in as $35, and it worked out the tax on that as well. I'll leave that as travel, and so on. You can see that even though the tax does not show down here, it figured it out, and it will be adding it to the journal entry. I just displayed the purchase transaction detail, and you can see here on this screen that it backed out the GST, put it in a GST paid on purchases for the tax report, and then included the PST. The Visa payable is for the whole amount. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.